Please. Oh, sabi. Good. Release. Relax lang good. Relax lang good. Relax lang. One minute. Release na lang. Grabe good. Grabe good. Grabe. Hi po, I'm Rolem, your therapist. This is one of my patient that have a minor scoliosis. After the stretching and adjustment na i-perform ko siya, i-explain ako niya unsay nahitabo siyang back. It because siyang trabaho na online job, prolonged sitting and walay stretching. And then, nag-struggle po daw siya sa iyang running cause kadugayan siyang pag-run. Dili after na niya the treatment, proper form, and then back and then iyang performance. Nalahi rin daw sa normal na therapy. So, thank you. Bye!